Good morning, class 11. Student topic relation and function is continue exercise 2.1. Question number 1. Question is if there is a ordered pair x upon 3 plus 1 y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 3 comma 1 upon 3. Find the values of x and y. Student, there is a logic of equality of ordered pair. Since two ordered pair are equal, therefore their corresponding elements are equal. So x upon 3 plus 1 equal to 5 upon 3 and y minus 2 by 3 equal to 1 upon 3. Now shifting 1 to the right hand side, so 5 upon 3 minus 1. X upon 3 equal to 2 by 3. 3 cancel, so x equal to 2. And y equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is give you 3 by 3. 3 1 is 3. So y equal to 1. Value of x is 2 and value of y is 1. Now question number 2. If the set A has 3 elements, it means and A equal to 3. Means number of element in the set. It is also called cardinal number. And the set B equal to elements 3, 4, 5. Therefore, NB is 3. Find the number of elements in A cross B. Therefore, NA cross B is equal to NA into NB. NA is 3, NB is also 3, 3 is 9. Therefore, A cross B, or we can say Cartesian product having 9 elements. Stand now. Question number 3. If G is a one of the set having element 7, 8 and H is another set that is having element 5, 4, 2. Find G cross H and H cross G. Now see the solution. G cross H equal to 7, 8 cross 5, 4, 2. It is the set of ordered pair 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2. Then 8, 5, 8, 4 and 8, 2. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 elements. Now H cross G, that is 5, 4, 2 cross 7, 8. It is 5, 7, 5, 8, 4, 7, 4, 8, 2, 7 and 2, 8. There are also 8 elements. 3 to a 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Student, now question number 4. State whether each of the following statements are true or false. If statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. First part. If there is a set P equal to M, N and Q equal to N, M, then P cross Q is given to you. It is M, N and N, M. Now you have to tell is that correct or wrong. So let us find P cross Q. P cross Q equal to M cross N. It is M, then N, then N. Since the given ordered pair A cross B, they are wrong. There are only 2 elements. Actual P cross Q is this MN, NN. So the given statement is false. And it is the rewrite statement. If A and B are non-empty set, it is the second part of question 4. Then A cross B is non-empty set of ordered pair X, Y such that X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. So here A and B are non-empty sets. Non-empty sets. And definition of A cross B. It is X, Y. It is a set of ordered pair where X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. So this statement is correct here. It is correct or true. And the third part, A equal to 1, 2 and B equal to 3, 4. Then find A cross B intersection 5 equal to 5. This we have to check. Student, since B intersection 5 equal to 5 and A cross 5 equal to 5, therefore statement is correct here. So it is true. Given statement is true. So student, this statement is correct here. Intersection of given set with the null set becomes a null set. So B intersection 5 equal to 5. A cross 5, it is also the 5 because null set is not having any element, and so the ordered pair is not possible. So we cannot find A cross 5. It is also the null set and the statement is correct.